It's okay. Okay, so we've just heard the decision of the Supreme Court. Presiding judge was Justice Chena, and he was flanked by Justice Chitakunye and Justice Mayera. They've ruled that the judgment of the High Court should be set aside. This effectively means that the 12 MPs from Bulawayo have been reinstated to the ballot. As the CCC, we don't say we're happy, we don't celebrate, because they should never have been removed in the first place. But what we do say is that we're relieved, because at least the people of Bulawayo will be able to choose leaders of their own. It would have been a coup on the will of the people for them to be removed. And as President Chamisa said this last week, and as we continue to say, the legislative authority of Zimbabwe derives from the people. There's simply no justifiable basis for the people of Bulawayo to be denied the right to vote in leaders of their choice. It's imperative that every Zimbabwean gets to make this choice. And as for ZANU-PF, we say that they can never win a free and fair election in Zimbabwe. Nullified himself knows that we're coming for him in Cowdrey Park. The people of Bulawayo are going to speak, and they're going to speak decisively on the 23rd of August 2023. To the citizens, we say thank you very much for rallying behind these 12 candidates. Let's continue to campaign very hard so that we can secure a big win for the citizens. A big win for the CCC is a big win for Zimbabwe. And we said consistently that in this election, we have to ensure that we've got a large margin so that we win Zimbabwe for change and restore Zimbabwe to its former glory and build a Zimbabwe that works for everyone.